Hi, I'm Afraz and you're watching Britannia Dessert Carnival. And today let's make a hot chocolate with some chili infusion. First, in a large bowl, I'm going to add some dark and milk chocolate. Then, let's keep this on a double boiler and let the chocolate melt. I'm going to add a pinch of sea salt because salt brings out the sweet flavor from the chocolate. Some red chili powder, which will give a nice kick to this hot chocolate, and also some smoked paprika. We are going to wait until the chocolate is nicely melted. And now let's see the chocolate is melting. So now the chocolate is nicely melted. As you can see, it's time to add some cream and milk. So in goes some fresh cream and some hot milk. So we are almost done. Give this a nice mix. So now everything is nicely mixed and this is piping hot. Our hot chocolate is done. Let's take this off from the flame, and now I'm going to pour this into a jar. And now let's serve this. I've already rimmed the glass with some chili and salt. And now let's pour the drink. And there you have a really hot chili chocolate shots. I'm sure this will give you a more kick than a double espresso. If you like the video, do hit like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more such Britannia Dessert Carnival recipes.
FoodFood, it's sizzling.